Good morning and welcome back. We are out on a Saturday morning. We are just on a bike riding fishing adventure. We are going to go to an old gravel pit and we're gonna try to see if we can catch something. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. Yeah, definitely not taking the truck down through here, huh? Definitely won't take the truck down through here, huh? I think it actually has it. Give it a little, reel it just a tad bit. Reel it just a tad bit and give it a whack.
You got it or no?
Got it.
Yes,
Oh, there's some right down in here, Colton.
Got it. Got my first fish of the day.
Nice job. First cast.
Right away.
Just hooked up on another one. Didn't have the camera rolling. You gonna get it off?
Yeah. It just starts bouncing around. Snake.
Little black snake, rat snake,
or water moccasin.
water moccasin.
Cotton mouth or something. I don't know.
Some little kid rode their little Power Wheels gator down here. We just got 2 or 3 bluegill sunfish down there. We've just left and there's a little creek up here. We're gonna try to see if we can catch something on this little creek. Yeah, watch for cars. Oh, that's a largemouth.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a largemouth.
No, it's not. It's something yucky.
Oh, it's creek chum.
Keep it, Dad.
Oh my gosh, what's the bump on it?
We can make it fat and eat it later.
Is it pregnant? There's a big fat bump on it.
It's already under. It's already under. Oh, something hit it. Come on. Got it. Oh, it came off. Time. Are you kidding me? Finally got one to bite on and stick. Oh, it's like a little carp, a little sucker fish. I really don't know what kind of small little fish this is, but it actually kind of looks pretty with some of the colors. Don't know if it's a little baby carp or just a sucker. Was hitting hard for sure.
Put it on.
Bobber's under. These things are pretty small. Stay on. Oh, I think it came off. Nope.
Yep, right here. It's so deep. It's like here.
Small little creek chums again.
Oh, can I hold it?
Oh, you got it to squeak. Another one on. What's this?
I don't know what's another one.
Another one. I cannot see my bobber right here. I think I got something on. What do I got? What do I got?
Nothing. nothing or something.
Creek, creek chums. Creek, creek chums.
It had to be funny. Hey, don't hit me in the face. Ow!
Is it on there?
Oh!
3 and 1 foot.
Okay, watch it. It's already under.
You have to pull.
Nice job, Veronica. Oh, did you come off? Throw it back in.
Yeah, at least I turned. Wow. That went under right away, but it didn't stay on. Ah, I didn't push it.
Reel it in. Oh.
So small.
Did you hook it?
Didn't even get its mouth.
Oh,
Didn't get its mouth.
oh wow, we hooked it.
We hooked it. It didn't get in its mouth.
Oh, poor little thing.
Yeah.
That's tiny.
That's sorry.
That's like, look at that. That's like the size of my finger.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I'm sorry, Bubba. Big, what is
Yeah,
it?
it's a bigger one. Here, bring it over here.
It'll be this one we caught.
Bring it over here.
Bye-bye.
Okay. I would say that this little spot was a success for just catching some small little creek chum. So we're just leaving this little creek that we were at for probably the last hour. A little bit of fun with just some creek chums. Enjoyable. So now we'll just ride the bike back home. We're gonna get a little bit of lunch, and then I think we're gonna go back out, find another little creek spot. So we're in here at Sugar Creek Meats and Treats in South Whitley, just taking a break from our little fishing adventure. We've got hot dog, macaroni salad, and we've got some chips and a soda pop. And for the 3 of us, it is only $13. Coca-Cola.
Got it. It's not Red Bull. Ah! Go!
oh, that's a bigger one.
Here, let me bust my thing. Whoa.
You don't want to cast too far.
Just wait.
Yeah, in case he falls in. Ow.
Fish number 1, second cast.
Got him. Yeah. Look at this beauty.
Ooh. 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 Got, well, oh no. Oh, they're fighting over it, Colton. Come here. Oh. Off.
What do I put right here? I'm putting my foot in.
Oh, I didn't have. Colton. At Sugar Creek, how they had those smaller little jig heads. Those would be better. Oh, oh. I don't know if you've seen that, but he was on there. Could be able to open. I don't know. They're probably having just a hard time getting their mouth open on it.
Where are they? Huh? Just right over there?
Fish on. Fish on. Fishy on. Fishy hit it. He got it. Creek, creek. Small little things, but it's just fun. Fun. So there's some right in there. Are there any in there? Huh? No? We're gonna try a little red rooster tail. I seen something big in there. They're definitely hitting it.
There's like a couple.
And they all come out of like in the logs and stuff. And then they see it and they go to hit on it. They're not sure on this one.
Maybe it's because it's not a worm.
Uh-oh.
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 And another uh-oh thing. Glass. Oh, I can get it. Oh. Okay.
I got a leaf. Got one. Back over here. See if one of these wanna come out and actually get on this time. Oh, the smallest little things are trying to play with it. Here's some little ones in here. Right in here. Let's see if any of them come after this. Come on, get it. Oh my goodness. This is kind of fun. This is probably not quite, we probably need a little bit smaller stuff for them. I don't know. They come after it and they see that it's probably a little bit big for them, and then they hide. Oh, I think this one's on. This one's on. This one's on. That one's on. He gone. Colton just got another one on. Veronica is gonna get an unstuck rooster tail. Gonna come play with mine. Go. Oh, that's not where I wanted to go with it. But something's on. Something's on. Something's on. Something's on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Colton just had. Oh geez. Stop, stop, stop. Oh no.
Don't tell me it got stuck.
Oh, it came off.
Man,
You he came off on yours too.
I wonder if it's the same guy.
Colton, you can try right in here and try over there.
Are you okay? Only if we could get that and put it on Friday Falls.
Got something on there. You should.
Oh, yeah.
Not now.
Who doesn't like a juicy worm?
I think they got that one because he's moving with it.
Wait.
He's moving with it.
Once he takes it underwater again.
And you're gonna have to get it out of his mouth with the pliers. Finally, finally. Oh no!
Whoa! Not that deep.
She said it did. Uh-oh.
I think we should start going back, Dad. Okay? Fish back there, okay?
Something's playing on it. You got it? Nope, just playing with it.
Oh man, that's in there.
Get it? Got it.
Ow.
Well,
No,
I
it
think,
hooked through him.
yeah, he must
Wow.
yeah, must have been reeling in. Well, this is probably the last one of the day. Pretty tiny sucker.
Got all wet again. Hey! Hi guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed our adventure today. And cut. Hope you guys enjoyed our adventure today, because this is the end of the video.
Well, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed Colton's attempt at ending the video. But we did some creek fishing, as you've seen, and I think that was a lot of fun today, catching some small creek chum fish. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.